こんにちは、あすか先生です。Today I'm talking about lots of very similar sound but different verbs. Okay, so just ka and then one syllable and then mas. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 verbs. Okay, so let's try. Right, ka, kimasu, kakimasu, and then draw or paint, the same pronunciation, kakimasu. Yeah, but a different kanji. Yeah, and then lend, kashimasu, kashimasu. Yes, and then borrow, karimasu, karimasu. Yes, and then buy, kaimasu, kaimasu. And those who have already learned potential verbs, yes, so let's try. Can buy is kaemasu. Okay, and then can lend, kasemasu. Can write, kakemasu. And then can draw, paint is also kakemasu. Okay, so let's recap. Kakimasu, kakimasu, kashimasu, karimasu, kaimasu, kaemasu, kasemasu, kakemasu, kakemasu. Yes, so kakimasu, write, the same pronunciation, kakimasu, draw, kashimasu, lend, karimasu, borrow, kaimasu, buy, kaemasu, can buy, kasemasu, can lend, kakemasu, can write, kakemasu, can draw or paint. Yes, well done. See you. またね。